Yo, what up, what up? My name is Felix and welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a two-part video because the weather in New York City has been horrible lately. It's either been snowing or raining every single day. Last week I came across a video from one of the creators I follow, and he was showcasing a product he had recently purchased also. Before I even finished his video, I went ahead on the website and bought the same product. Let me show you what I bought. This is called the Mic Drop by Driveline Studios. It's essentially a mount for your license plate so that you could put the DJI Mic 2s or the Rode wireless mics on your license plate. And let me go ahead and show you what this is. It's the Mic Drop. It's the ultimate wireless mic mount for crystal clear exhaust audio. This is what the product looks like. It's made out of aluminum and there's a hole here so you could screw it onto your license plate, and then the DJI Mic 2 that I have will essentially go into that hole right there. It's very small, it's not heavy at all, it's very light. It's made out of aluminum, like I said. I thought it was going to be plastic, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be very durable and it's going to be able to withstand all the elements: water, snow, hail, anything. Now, let me show you what it looks like real quick with the DJI mic connected to it. So if you can tell on the clips of the DJI Mic 2, there's two grooves on the clip, and this is what goes onto the mic drop. So let me go ahead and show you guys how this mounts onto the Mic 2s. So you just put the clip onto the mount, and look at that. Look how small that is. Look how minimalistic that is too. And it has a strong hold. Like this isn't gonna come out at all, like at all. So the way you do take it out is by pushing up on the DJI mics, and to put it back in, you just put it through a hole again, and there you go. Look how small that is. It is very small. So like I said, this is gonna be a two-part video since the weather's been so bad. Stay tuned for my next video where I mount this onto my license plate and I show you how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.